Good afternoon all. I continue my video lectures based upon on computer and then the C programming. Now my topic is central processing unit. What are the items will be happening inside the central processing unit or what it happens? Brain of the machine is CPU, responsible for carrying out computational task, contains ALU, CU, registers, etc. ALU arithmetic logic unit, CU control unit, registers will be holding inside the central processing unit. ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations. CU provides control signals in accordance with some timing which is turns control the execution process. Registers store data and results and speed up the operations. Control unit of the CPU contains circularity that uses electrical signal to direct the entire computer system to carry out or execute stored program instructions, etc. The control unit does not execute program instructors, rather it directs other part of system to do is. The central control unit must communicate with both arithmetic and logical unit and memory. ALU means it is an arithmetic logical, it is a digital circuit that performs arithmetic and logical operators. ALU load data from input register. An external control unit that tells the ALU what operation to be performed on the data, and then ALU stores its results into an output register. The control unit is responsible for moving the processed data between these register, ALU and memory. ALU performs execution part of the machine cycle. The execution consists of arithmetic and comparisons and logical, etc. Arithmetic means addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. Comparison means greater than or equal to or less than. Logical means and or not. And then memory, store data, results and programs. Two classes of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Two types are RAM and ROM. RAM is read and write memory, ROM read only memory. ROM is used to store data and program which is not going to change. Secondary storage is used for bulk storage or mass storage. RAM, random access commonly known as RAM, or simply memory, provides space for your computer to read and write data to be accessed by the CPU. When people refer to a computer memory, they usually means it RAM. The strength of RAM determine at random how fast a piece of data can be pulled and returned, regardless of where the data is on drive and whether it is an all related any previous bit of data is relevant. A RAM pulled it back at the constant time. RAM is volatile, so data storage is storage in RAM stage that only as long as computer is running. As soon as computer is switch off, the data stored in RAM disappears. ROM, read only memory, and it is an integrated circuit memory chips that contains configuration data. ROM is commonly called FireWAM because its programming is fully embedded into a ROM chip. As such, ROM is hardware and software is one. Because data is fully incorporated at the ROM chip manufactured, data stored can neither be erased nor replaced. This means permanent and secure data storage. Data storage in ROM is non-volatile. It is not lost when your computer is turned off. Data storage in ROM is either unchangeable or requires a special operation to change. Example of ROMs are programmable ROM, electrically erasable programmer ROM, and electrically erasable ROM 2. What is the difference between RAM and ROM? RAM can be defined as temporary memory that can hold the data and instruct if there is accurate power supply. ROM can be defined and permanent memory holding the data even the power is switched off. Type, the content in RAM can be accessed and processed. The content in ROM cannot be processed, it can be only read. Utility, it stores immediate instruction required by the processor. It keeps the booting instruction of a computer. High speed at a high speed and cost. High speed at a higher cost than ROM. Low speed at the lesser cost than RAM. Read only memory or ROM is an integrated circuit memory chip that contains a The chip contains configuration data. ROM is commonly called fireworm because its programming is fully embedded into a ROM chip. As such, ROM is hardware and software is one. Because data is fully incorporated at the ROM chip manufacturer, data stored can be either be erased nor replaced. This means permanent and secure data storage. Data stored in ROM is non-volatile. It is lost when your computer is turned off.